The process of whiskey distillation. The history of whiskey can be found all over the world. Each country has its own characteristic grains and processes. Most whiskey production follows a 6-step process: malting, mashing, fermentation, distillation, maturation, bottling. 1. Malting. Barley is soaked in water to make it germinate and produce enzymes. The germinated grains are then dried in a kiln to stop germination. 2. Mashing. The grains are mixed with hot water in a mash pot. The mixture is stirred to produce a porridge-like substance, which becomes the mash. 3. Fermentation. Fermentation is the process of converting sugar into alcohol. The mash goes into a fermentation tank and yeast is added to start fermentation. The fermentation time is 4 to 7 days. After fermentation, you will get a fermented liquid with an alcohol content of 7 to 10%. 4. Distillation. The distillation process is to increase the alcohol content of the mash. There are 2 main types of stills used in whiskey production. 1. Pot still. The mash is placed in the still and heated. The alcohol becomes vapor and enters the neck and lanyard of the still, then flows to the condenser, where the alcohol vapor returns to liquid form. The first distillation has an alcohol content of about 20%. This process can be repeated 2 or 3 times, with the final product having an alcohol content of 60 to 70%. 2. Column still. Column stills are more efficient than pot stills. It can be used in a continuous process. The mash is introduced into the top of the still and passed through a perforated plate. At this point, hot vapor rises from the bottom of the still. The mash and vapor interact and solids are removed. The alcohol vapor begins to rise. Once it contacts the perforated plate, the vapor condenses, increasing the alcohol content. Finally, the vapor is sent to the condenser, where the alcohol content can reach 95%. 5. Maturation. Almost all whiskey is aged in wooden barrels. During the aging process, barrels are stored in warehouses. During storage, some of the alcohol evaporates, known as the angel's share. Different types of whiskey require different aging times. 6. Bottling. After the aging process is complete, the whiskey can be bottled. Some brewers may filter the whiskey in some way to prevent it from becoming cloudy after adding water or ice. Ultimately, the alcohol content of the bottled whiskey must reach 40% or higher. The above is the relevant content of whiskey manufacturing. Welcome to subscribe to Huang-Tiantai channel.